Hi, everyone. Welcome to the Money and Gratitude series. And in this uh, session, every week that we are going to meet, our focus is going to be on coming to the present moment, feeling gratitude, embodying the energy of gratitude in our hearts, and expressing it expressing the gratitude for that money energy in our lives that enriches our life, that transforms our life, that brings so many things in our lives that we need. And the whole point or the purpose is to create this beautiful infinity with this money energy, so that money flows into our lives, and it also flows into people who need it, and then it comes back to us. So it's kind of like a system that we set up here. All right. And in this system, there are a lot of blessings. We acknowledge a lot of things. We go deeper into our feelings. We um, acknowledge so many things that actually bring happiness to us, right? Sometimes what happens is that we are not living in the moment, we are constantly living in the future, focusing on things that are worrying us. And in the process, our lives could actually go in a second, right? We forget how to literally live life, right? And this is just an attempt for us to come together to build this energy, to grow this energy, and and in the process learn, right? And this is a free offering, so I really, whoever watches this video, I urge you all to bring more folks with you, right? Because when we work as a group, the energy amplifies, right? We bless each other, we bless our intentions, we bring gratitude to our just one moment, let me pin myself. Okay. So the format for these classes would be we start with a meditation, right? And then we go into an exercise where all of us, we pick a topic for each day. I'm going to tell you what it is. And then we take some time to actually write it down. Okay. So I want all of you to come with a notebook, a pen, glass of water, because we're going to do some water therapy, water blessing as well. And like I said, maybe a note, a currency, or, a coin, or maybe like you know, gold ring or whatever it is, right? Something that represents Ma Lakshmi, that money energy in your life, all right? So we're going to have these three different segments every week on Saturdays. And yeah, and I hope that you not only learn, but you also learn to apply this in your life, right? And the whole point of coming again and again every week is so that you can stay in this energy throughout the week, right? And it'll get easier for you to develop this mindset, right, over time. So let's start with today's exercise. I want you all to just be seated wherever you are, spine gently erect, hands resting softly on your lap or knees. Take a deep breath in and out. You can close your eyes if you'd like. Again, take a deep breath in and out. Just focus on your breath, taking in, inhale, and out, exhale. Let your shoulders drop away from your ears. Unclench this jaw. Soften that space between your eyebrows if there's any stress here, and relax. Allow your body to feel supported. You are safe. You are here. Keep taking deep breaths. Inhale and exhale. Inhale and exhale. Begin to notice your natural breath. Just observe it. Breathing in and out. Just see how you don't control this. Just observe. With every inhalation, you may notice certain memories, how you're feeling in your body, maybe certain worries, ideas. That's completely natural. Let it all come. The mind is doing its job. Simply observe these thoughts. Just like you look at the sky and the clouds just drift away. Just look at your thoughts like that. Let them come and go. And you keep focusing on your breath. Just remember that you are not your thoughts. Go back to your breath, breathing in and breathing out. Breathing in and breathing out. Simply notice and return to your breath again and again. Just feel this coolness of air as it enters your nose and the gentle warmth as it leaves. And also notice the pause between the inhalation and exhalation. The natural stillness that comes between your breaths. So, with each breath, when we start focusing on our um, inhalation and exhalation, what happens? We naturally come back to the present moment. Okay, we come back to our awareness, and that's one of the best ways to come in the present moment. And your thoughts begin to slow down when you start focusing on your breath. Just relax. And now let's focus on some box breathing. So, breathing in on the count of four. One, two, three, four. Hold, count of four. One, two, three, four. And exhale, count of four. One, two, three, four. So let's do 5 rounds of box breathing. Breathing in, two, three, four. Hold, one, two, three, four. Exhale, one, two, three. Again, breathing in, two, three, four. Hold, two, three, four. Exhale, one, two, three, four. And I'll do 3 more rounds. With every cycle, you're becoming still, more centered. You're coming back to the present, to the here and now. And now it becomes easier for us to connect to the source from this space. Yeah. So when the mind is quiet, it gets easier for us to connect from our hearts, right? Let's start the process of gratitude. I just want you to connect with your higher self, your God, the universe, any higher power, any divine power that you connect to, and just say thank you, thank you, thank you. Thank you for this day. Thank you for bringing us to this moment. where I can express my gratitude. Thank you for my body. Thank you for my mind. Thank you for all my organs that I'm right here today, sitting here, being grateful. Thank you to Zoom. Thank you to this computer. Thank you to this opportunity. Thank you to all the people who helped you get where you are today. Thank you, thank you, thank you. Thank you to the divine for connecting us to this moment, for making so many possibilities possible for us to see this day today, for us to dream what we want and to be able to fulfill so many dreams until this moment. Thank you, thank you, thank you. Thank you to that divine energy for connecting us all, for bringing our dreams to us, for opening up pathways, for removing obstacles, for showing us this day, for showing us that everything is possible. Thank you to the breath in our lungs, for the blood in our veins, for the thoughts in our mind. Thank you, thank you, thank you. Thank you that I'm able to move, I'm able to speak, I'm able to create, I'm able to love. Thank you for this strength, thank you for this clarity, thank you for this connection, thank you for this very moment. Now let's be grateful to the five elements all around us and within us, elements that make us and make our surroundings possible. Take a deep breath in and feel all these elements in your body, everything that makes up your body. Let's honor each one of them. The earth element, thank you, earth element. Thank you for the ground beneath my feet, for the food that nourishes me. Thank you, thank you, thank you for the minerals and the soil that build this body. Thank you for the stability that I have in my life, for the rootedness, for the strength I feel in my bones, my muscles, the solid ground on my being. Thank you, thank you. Just keep your eyes closed and think of all the earth elements in your life. All my crystals, all basically your ground, right? The one that you stand on is earth element, right? So every day it helps you move around. It gives you that stability to actually stand on it, right? So thank you, thank you, thank you. Thank you to the water element. The water element, it's 70% outside of us and 70% within us. So being completely grateful for this flow in our lives, for water, for us to exist, right? It flows through me as blood, right? All the fluids in our lives. Water teaches us to be fluid in life, right? To adapt, to move around obstacles rather than just being in one place, being stagnant. So thank you, water element, for constantly flowing in my life. Thank you to the fire element, the warmth of the sun, the process of our digestion. Thank you, thank you. Thank you to the fire of passion, right? That helps us do everything, bring our creative juices to life. Thank you. Thank you to that fire element that brings us courage, it brings us light to move forward. Thank you to the air element, our breath, right? The sacred, beautiful gift of breath that we all have. Thank you, air element, for always being there. It's everywhere, isn't it? Asking nothing, but always giving. With every inhalation, it sustains us, right? It reminds us that life is all about receiving and giving. Thank you. Thank you. Thank you to the ether, the space that holds all things together. Thank you. Thank you for the silence between our words. Thank you for this vastness all around. Thank you for this openness. Thank you for this feeling of infinity. Thank you. Thank you. Take a deep breath in, thanking all these elements within us, around us. We are not separate from them. Thank you, Mother Earth. Thank you, Father Sky. We are held, we are completely loved. Take a deep breath in. And I want to thank you, all of you who showed up today, people who are going to watch this later. Thank you to all of you for connecting, for spreading this joy, for sharing this energy with me, for making this group a possibility. Thank you, thank you, thank you. With your energy, I get that motivation to show up every time. And then this energy of gratitude amplifies, and we're able to spread this magic to as many folks as possible. So thank you, thank you, thank you. Let's thank any of our teachers, mentors, gurus who've helped us, who've guided us to reach where we are today. And then let's thank ourselves, right? Because our biggest guru is within us, isn't it? So let's be grateful to our own selves, for our body, for our mind, for our energy. Thank you, thank you, thank you. And thank yourself for choosing to show up today, right? So thank you. Now, when it comes to our body, many a times what happens is that we ignore a lot of, many parts of our body, and in that process we forget what kind of a miracle we are, a walking miracle, right? Because when we think of our body, there are so many things that are just running within us, right? All our organs are functioning, and I don't even know what all is happening, right? Like they say that there is the acid, if you hold, I read it somewhere recently that if you have it on your hand, it'll completely burn your hand, isn't it? But the same um, formula is working for your digestion, right? All the acid in your stomach, it knows how to function, it knows how to work, and it's doing its job so well. We don't even know the intricacies of our body, right? So be completely in gratitude of your beautiful body that's just constantly protecting you, constantly keeping you healthy, constantly fighting to keep you healthy, right? So thank your body, thank your immune system. Thank you, thank you. Thank you, body. Thank you for your strength. Thank you for your resilience. Thank you for all your gestures, all your capabilities. Thank you. I honor you, my body. I care for you. I love you, my body. Thank you. Thank all your five senses, right? Your eyes. Thank you. Thank you. That help you see. Thank you, my ears, for the music that I hear every day. Thank you. Thank you for my nose, for the fragrance that I smell, the flowers, so many things for the taste that that helps me, uh, enjoy my food, for the nourishment, for the sweetness of life. Thank you, thank you, thank you, thank you. Thank you that I'm able to feel the warmth of the sun. Thank you for making me part of this beautiful miracle on this planet. Thank you. And now I want you to gently rub your palms together. Feel the warmth between them, right? This is this beautiful chi prana energy, right? And as you rub your palms, just put it on your eyes, right? Breathe deeply, right? And as your palms are on your eyes, I want you to imagine this beautiful, sparkling white light that's coming from the universe up above. And it's moving through your crown chakra and it's going down into all major seven chakras of you, going into your third eye, and then going into your throat chakra, and then into your heart, and then your solar plexus, then your sacral, and then your root. And imagine this white light pouring through your full body and completely healing you. You're connected from up above and down below, and from your root chakra it goes down into the center of the earth. So you're connected to this beautiful divine energy. You are becoming a channel of this beautiful healing energy now. And now let's just come back to the here and now. You can open your eyes. Yeah. Any questions? No. If possible, please come on camera so that we can connect and we can do this exercise now. So we're going to focus on alphabet B today. Last time we did A, right? And what are we going to focus specifically when it comes to this alphabet? All the things, right, that start with the alphabet B, we are going to write that down today. Everything that we are grateful for that starts with the alphabet B, that money energy brought into our lives. Yeah. So, what happens is, what's the purpose of this exercise? What happens is that when we focus our energy on a particular thing, like we constantly look for all the B's in our life, right? All the alphabet B's that come into our lives, that money energy is bringing, we actually amplify that energy even more, right? And we open up avenues for more such things to come in our lives, all right? Um, so I can give you a few examples. For example, let's see. When we think of maybe you can start with wherever you're sitting. You can think of your drawing room and think of all your things that start with an alphabet B. I can think of, say, my bed, right? So thank you, we write bed, right? And then we say thank you money energy for bringing this comfort or this luxury of sleep in my life, right? So you just write one word which starts with B, and then you write how money energy or Lakshmi energy is bringing this thing in your life, all right? So now let's just take a few minutes. Let's see, maybe 10 minutes, and let's start writing. Why do we write? We write because we directly connect with our subconscious mind when we write, right? And with practice, we actually develop this habit of looking for things that we are grateful for, and this energy amplifies, and then we are constantly looking for things that we are grateful for, and we actually start a cycle of beautiful things entering our lives. Yeah. So let's start with all the things wherever you are sitting. Just think of, and if you feel like it's getting difficult, use your mind, right? Talk to other folks. Right now, just try and think as much as possible and write it down. All right. So let's start. Next 10 minutes. Let's just do this exercise. So I want you to utilize this time to keep writing. And I'll just give you a few examples and then again I'll go back to writing. But things like, I'm grateful for my bed, right? Because it helps me sleep well. You can think of all the food items, right? And then categorize them accordingly. So, like for blueberries, they are great antitoxins, right? For broccoli, right? Healthy source of fiber. Beetroot, power packed with iron. Bread helps me, have my breakfast every day. Whatever, like makes my breakfast interesting. Books, right? I read and expand my knowledge. Bracelet. So thank you. You just write thank you, money, energy. It brought this in my life, and when it brought this in my life, it enhanced my life. It made my life better. It made my life, whatever it is that it did, kind of highlight that, right? And try and write at least 108 items, because when we just write two, three, four things, that doesn't really build some sort of a process in our minds, right? We need to kind of go a little deeper for us to actually build this habit. And when we do it again and again and again, that's where neuroplasticity works, and we kind of create different changes in our life, in our minds, right? So let's continue. Okay, so I hope you all wrote down all the things that you could, imagine, and things that that start with B, and that money energy helped, that particular energy into your life, and somehow it transformed and made your lives better, right? So let's focus on that and let's complete it before we meet next time or for alphabet C. And now let's just focus on our energy, money energy practice. Okay. So what I want all of you is to go ahead and bring a coin or a note or something that represents that money energy, Lakshmi energy for you, and keep it in your hands. Okay. Hold it in your hands. Feel its weight. Feel its texture. And close your eyes for a moment and truly sense this energy. What are you holding? If it's a note, it's not just paper, right? If it's a coin, it's not just metal. This is energy, right? This is a beautiful, powerful, intelligent, living, flowing energy, right? And it has traveled through countless hands, right? And countless lives to reach your hands today. Look at it, see it, really see it, okay? And now, as you connect with this energy, I want you to say to this energy, thank you, thank you, thank you. Thank you, money energy. I love you. I like you. I welcome you in my life. Please bless me. Please stay with me. And please keep flowing and growing with me. Thank you. Thank you, money energy, for showing up in my life in all kinds of beautiful forms. You come as cash, you come in coins, you come in shares, you come in bonds, you come as gifts, you come as surprises, you come as luxury items, all the things, investments that keep growing in all forms, in all colors. I love you and I love you and I appreciate you in every form that you show up. I love you and I appreciate you in every form you show up, and I'm open to receiving you in all forms. If I've ever said anything to hurt you, or that you're not enough, or that you're hard to come by, or that you always leave me, I'm sorry, please forgive me. I'm sorry, please forgive me. I release every old story that I've told anyone and everyone and myself about you. I release every belief that kept you away from me. And everywhere and wherever you go from my hands today, please bless everyone you touch. Flow through the world and do good. And then please return to me multiplied, magnified, and abundantly. Now just place this note over your heart or this coin over your heart. Feel the warmth, feel the connection, and just say thank you, thank you, thank you for all the abundance you have always, always brought in my life. I see it, I feel it, and I'm super, super grateful. Yeah, beautiful. And now you can just keep it back. Now I want you all to bring a glass of water, like I told you in the beginning, right? It should be a glass, okay? So no metal or anything because this is a great conductor of energy, okay? Take it in both your hands, this glass of water. Look at it, okay? Just try to connect with this energy, water energy. We all know, right, that 70% of our body is water. And also, water is a great conductor, okay? And also a great absorber. So, all the things that we've been saying, it's been absorbing, okay? And now just look at it. And all I want you to do is think of a material wish that you want to make, okay? Anything, anything, one wish that you want in the next 1 week. Think of that wish now. You can even say it over Just whisper or say it. Say it in a present tense, meaning like, thank you, water energy, for making my deal successful, right? In the present tense, but in a way that it's already happened and that you're grateful for it, right? So say that and feel this warm, golden energy in your heart, that fuzzy feeling of already accomplished what you want. And now just talk to this water energy. I love you, water. Thank you for carrying my intentions today. With every sip I take, I'm receiving your blessings. With every sip, I'm healthy, happy, grateful, and whole. And with every sip, my wish becomes true. Thank you, thank you, thank you. And now just sip this water. Now you can actually keep drinking this water throughout your day or just drink the whole glass as well. And that's up to you. Yeah. So, like I said, water really is a great conductor of aura energies. And that's why they say that whenever you're praying or whenever there's some beautiful chant going on, or even when there is some puja, always keep a glass of water, right? Because it absorbs that beautiful energy and then you can literally drink it as a blessing. Yeah. So now let's just again close our eyes and do a small meditation to connect with Mother Earth, Mahalakshmi, this money energy, this beautiful root chakra energy. Okay. Just connect with this divine feminine energy. Yeah. This Lakshmi energy, this feminine money energy, this eternal mother of prosperity. She visits you every day. She moves through your life quietly, steadily, faithfully. She has never truly left you, isn't it? Every day there's something or the other that we buy. Think about it, right? You probably buy something to eat, you probably buy gas, you probably get, you know, uh, anything and everything requires some sort of money exchange. And that means that this energy of Lakshmi is constantly there with you. However, how many of us actually appreciate her? How many of us are super grateful for her presence? What we do is we constantly focus on what we don't have. And so we keep disrespecting what we already have. Yeah. She's always there, right? Running in the background. So today we take this moment to actually speak to her from our heart, acknowledge her presence. Thank you, thank you, thank you, Ma. Thank you, Lakshmi Energy. Thank you for visiting me every day. Thank you for keeping the circle of money and prosperity moving in my life. Thank you for keeping me part of this flow, for making me part of this flow. Everything that I've ever received, every rupee, every dollar, every gift, every opportunity, every comfort, it has come through you. I know that now, and I feel the immense gratitude. Thank you, thank you, thank you. Because of you, I feel secure. Because of you, I know that I can experience a good life. Because of you, I know that I can afford what I need. I can enjoy what I love. And I can share freely. I connect with you with your feminine energy today, the energy that flows, that receives, that nurtures, that multiplies. I am open to this energy now. I know that you go and then you also come back. I know that money flows and it is not meant to be hoarded. It is meant to move. And I trust that whatever flows out from me will return multiplied because I hold you with love and never with fear. Thank you, thank you, thank you, Ma. Thank you, Ma Lakshmi, for coming in so many forms as silver, as gold, as gifts, as property, in the form of jewelry, in the form of a fixed deposit, in investments, bonds, shares. You are endlessly creative. You are endlessly generous. Thank you, Lakshmi Energy, for making me happy. Thank you for reminding me that I'm grateful to you. You come in abundance and you bring all your friends with you. I just want you to feel again, hold that, whatever represents prosperity in your life, hold that in your hand. Feel that abundance that is already yours. Feel the love. And just one more time, just say thank you, money energy. I'm so grateful. I'm so blessed. And now I just want you to place both your hands on your heart and just say that I am a magnet for abundance. I am a magnet for abundance. Money energy loves me, and I love this money energy. I receive gracefully and I give joyfully. I trust completely. Abundance is my birthright. I am grateful. I am blessed. I am enough. I am more than enough. Thank you, thank you, thank you. Let's stay still in this moment for a few seconds. Beautiful. So, with that, uh, day two ends with letter B, and we're going to start letter C next time. So, come prepared, come with all the things that we require, and we will have a beautiful time next Saturday. Any questions before we end? No? Okay. So, I will see you next week. Thank you.